Number 1. What is the primary objective of the newly launched Digital India Act 2025? Correct answer B. Strengthening cybersecurity and data protection. Explanation. The Digital India Act 2025 aims to replace the outdated IT Act, addressing modern challenges like cybersecurity threats, data privacy, and AI regulations. It seeks to create a safer digital ecosystem while promoting innovation. Number 2. Which Indian state recently became the first to implement 100% renewable energy for government buildings? Correct answer C. Rajasthan. Explanation. Rajasthan has aggressively pushed renewable energy policies, leveraging its vast solar and wind energy potential. The state's initiative ensures that all government buildings are powered by clean energy, reducing carbon emissions. Number 3. What is the key feature of the new PM Awas Yojana 2.0 announced by the government? Correct answer D. Expansion to Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Explanation. The updated scheme aims to address housing shortages in smaller cities, ensuring more families get affordable housing. It focuses on infrastructure development in growing urban areas. Number 4. Which Indian city has been ranked as the best smart city in the latest government report? Correct answer B. Indore. Explanation. Indore has been recognized for its smart waste management, efficient public transport, and sustainable urban development. It has consistently ranked high in cleanliness and urban planning. Number 5. Which Indian state has launched the Green Hydrogen Mission to become a hub for clean energy production? Correct answer B. Tamil Nadu. Explanation. Tamil Nadu's Green Hydrogen Mission aims to position the state as a leader in clean energy, leveraging wind and solar power to produce green hydrogen, a key fuel for the future. Number 6. Which state has introduced a new policy to regulate water conservation in urban areas? Correct answer E. Karnataka. Explanation. Karnataka has introduced stricter water conservation policies, mandating rainwater harvesting and wastewater recycling to tackle urban water scarcity issues. Number 7. Which country has become India's largest trading partner as per the latest trade data? Correct answer B. USA. Explanation. The USA has overtaken China as India's largest trading partner due to increased exports in technology, pharmaceuticals, and manufactured goods. Number 8. The government has set a target to achieve carbon neutrality by which year? Correct answer C. 2070. Explanation. India has committed to reaching net zero carbon emissions by 2070 as part of its climate action goals under the Paris Agreement, balancing development with sustainability. Number 9. Which Indian state has launched the CM Digital Seva scheme to improve online public services? Correct answer D. Madhya Pradesh. Explanation. The CM Digital Seva scheme in Madhya Pradesh enhances access to government services through digital platforms, improving efficiency and transparency. Number 10. Which state recently introduced a policy to support women entrepreneurs with zero interest loans? Correct answer C. Telangana. Explanation. Telangana's initiative supports women entrepreneurs by providing financial assistance and skill development programs, boosting female led businesses. Number 11. The recent India EU trade negotiations focus primarily on which sector? Correct answer B. Renewable energy. Explanation. India and the EU are working on a trade agreement emphasizing renewable energy technology transfer and collaboration to promote sustainability. Number 12. India recently introduced the National Logistics Policy (NLP). What is its main objective? Correct answer B. Enhance supply chain efficiency and reduce logistics costs. Explanation. The National Logistics Policy (NLP) aims to bring down logistics costs from 13 to 14% of GDP to 8% by 2030, improving infrastructure, digital tracking, and multimodal transport. High logistics costs currently hinder India's export competitiveness, and NLP aligns with the Gati Shakti initiative to optimize supply chains. Number 13. The government has proposed an Urban Infrastructure Development Fund (UIDF). What is its primary focus? Correct answer C. financing infrastructure development in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Explanation: urbanization is rapidly increasing, yet small and medium sized cities lack proper infrastructure. The UIDF aims to address these gaps by funding smart city projects, transportation, waste management, and housing in these cities, which are critical to decongesting metro hubs and creating balanced regional development. Number 14. The Mukhya Mantri Kisan Protsahan Yojana is launched by which state? Correct answer: C. Chhattisgarh. Explanation: this scheme provides direct cash incentives to farmers adopting organic farming and water efficient techniques. Chhattisgarh aims to boost agriculture resilience amid climate change and groundwater depletion. Number 15. Which state became the first to implement a universal basic income pilot program? Correct answer: D. Sikkim. Explanation: Sikkim's UBI pilot provides a fixed monthly income to residents, replacing multiple welfare schemes. This aims to test poverty alleviation models, considering whether UBI can replace traditional subsidies. Number 16. India recently signed a strategic lithium partnership with which country? Correct answer: C. Argentina. Explanation: India lacks domestic lithium reserves, crucial for EV batteries and renewable energy storage. Partnering with Argentina, a key lithium producing nation, secures India's supply chain independence for electric mobility. Number 17. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has introduced the digital rupee under which framework? Correct answer: B. Central Bank Digital Currency. Explanation: the digital rupee is India's official central bank digital currency (CBDC) issued by the RBI. It operates on a blockchain backed framework and aims to reduce cash dependency, enhance financial inclusion, and improve cross border transactions. Number 18. India's GDP growth projection for the financial year was recently revised by which global organization? Correct answer: B. International Monetary Fund. Explanation: the IMF frequently updates India's GDP growth projections based on economic performance, inflation rates, and global economic trends. India remains one of the fastest growing economies, despite global economic slowdown concerns. Number 19. Which Indian insurance company recently launched the AI claims processing system? Correct answer: C. ICICI Lombard. Explanation: ICICI Lombard's AI claims processing system enhances efficiency in claim settlements by reducing manual verification and processing time, ensuring faster payouts to policyholders. Number 20. What is the objective of the PM Vishwakarma Kaushal Samman Yojana launched by the Government of India? Correct answer: A. Promote rural artisans and traditional skills. Explanation: this scheme aims to empower skilled artisans and craftsmen by providing financial assistance, modern tools, and training to sustain traditional Indian craftsmanship. Number 21. India recently test fired which indigenous long range missile? Correct answer: B. Agni 5. Explanation: the Agni 5 is a nuclear capable intercontinental ballistic missile ICBM with a range of over 5,000 kilometers, enhancing India's strategic deterrence against adversaries. Number 22. The Indian Navy recently commissioned which new warship? Correct answer: A. INS Vikrant. Explanation: INS Vikrant is India's first indigenously built aircraft carrier, boosting maritime security and self-reliance in defense manufacturing. Number 23. India and Russia recently conducted which joint military exercise? Correct answer: A. Indra. Explanation: Exercise Indra focuses on counter-terrorism and maritime security cooperation between India and Russia, strengthening defense collaboration. Number 24. Who won the ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year award recently? Correct answer: B. Babar Azam. Explanation: Babar Azam's consistent performances in all formats secured him this prestigious award, highlighting Pakistan's rising cricket dominance. Number 25. India won the maximum number of medals in which sport at the Asian Games? Correct answer: C. Athletics. Explanation: India dominated athletics at the Asian Games, winning multiple golds in track and field events, showcasing India's growing strength in global sports. Number 26. India launched which mission to study the sun? Correct answer D. Aditya L1. Explanation: Aditya L1 is India's first solar mission aimed at studying solar storms, flares, and their impact on Earth's climate. Thank you. Something exciting is coming soon. Are you ready? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. See you next time.